Hello, my friends and family. Welcome once again to Abinajah's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a new subscriber, thank you and welcome to the family. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite breakfasts that I normally make for myself and my family. Let's get right into the ingredients. I have my red skin potatoes, my spinach, jalapeno peppers and onion, my broccoli, zucchini, and my bell peppers. Also have my 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and my oil. Let's begin by cutting our red skin potatoes into wedges, and then we'll be cutting it into small cubes, just like so. You can cut it smaller if you prefer. All right, so I'm cutting each wedge into 3, and then I'll transfer it into my pot, and then I'll be parboiling it or cooking it just for about 7 minutes. I'll then cover it up and leave it to boil. It's been about 7 minutes and I'm checking my potatoes and it is cooked. So I'll then go ahead and drain the water and set it on the side. So in a pot, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. And make sure your oil is hot. And I went ahead and added my potato to the oil. All right, and then without wasting time, I'll then go ahead and season my potatoes with some salt and some black pepper. I didn't add salt to the water when I was boiling the potatoes. So this is a time to season my potatoes. So my salt and pepper, and it is just about a pinch of salt. All right, and then we want to make sure we give it a nice mix, making sure that all the salt and pepper is on the potatoes and it seasons it very well. All right, it's looking good and it's coming together very well. So at this point, I'll just be turning my potatoes. I like it golden brown. I don't like it too burnt. Just like that. You know, this is like home fries potatoes. All right, and I'm giving it a toss. And my potatoes is actually ready. It's looking good so far. It's looking good. All right, so it is done now, and I'll go ahead and transfer it into a bowl and set it on the side. So in the same pot, I'll go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I'll add my jalapeno peppers and my red onion to the oil and give it a stir. I think I have about half of red onion, okay? And then I'm adding my broccoli. This is the perfect time to add the broccoli so it cooks together with everything and it cooks well. And then we'll add in our spinach, all right, and give it a stir. Okay, our peppers and onion goes in. This is a very quick and fast breakfast, so you want to make sure all of your vegetables is ready to go. And then we'll go ahead and season it with salt and pepper. All right, add some black pepper to it, and then we'll give it a stir as well. All right. It's looking good. The vegetables, you don't want to overcook the vegetables. Yes, you just want the vegetables to be just right. Cooked, nice and crunchy and delicious. All right, and then our potatoes goes in. This is, should I call this healthy home fries potatoes? I think I'm going to call it that. It is healthy home fries potatoes. This is one of my best breakfasts. I love it. My favorite breakfast, and everybody else love it too. All right, so now everything is good. If you need more salt at this point, you can add more salt, but the salt was just good and perfect for me. So now it is ready to be put in a plate. So in the same pot, I'll go ahead and add about a tablespoon of oil, and I'm making egg over hard. I'm not sure if you guys know about sunny side up egg. All right, so I'm not making sunny side up egg. I'm making eggs over hard. So egg over hard is when your yolk is fully cooked. All right, just like so, making sure that I can be able to flip it. So I'm using my wooden spoon to kind of like release the pressure from the bottom. All right, it's going good. And I seasoned it with salt and pepper, and I'm using my spatula to turn it just like so. And that is gonna go on top of my eggs. Guys, this is a delicious breakfast. It's like fried egg, but then it's like your egg is not scrambled. Yeah, I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. But this is one of the best breakfasts. And my egg is pretty much done. It's looking good. So I flipped it over so you can see that the yolk is fully cooked, guys. And this is what I had for breakfast today. It is delicious and amazing. I should say it's healthy breakfast because red skin potatoes and vegetables is really good and healthy. And guys, I had a little ketchup on the side, and this actually goes well with sriracha. Yes, and hot sauce. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification. So anytime I upload, you will be notified. God bless you and stay safe. Bye bye.